In this video, I'll show you how to connect and set up your Netgear router using Netgear Genie. First, connect your modem to the router using an Ethernet cable. Plug the cable into the yellow Internet port on the back of the router. Now, power on the router and wait for the LED lights to turn solid. Next, connect your phone or computer to the router's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the Wi-Fi name and password on the router label. Open a web browser and go to routerlegend.net. The Netgear Genie setup page will open automatically. Log in using the router admin credentials. The default username is admin, and the default password is password, unless it has been changed. The Genie setup wizard will detect your internet connection automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Create a new Wi-Fi name and password when prompted. Save the settings and wait for the router to apply changes. The router may reboot during setup. After the setup is complete, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi details. Your Netgear router is now successfully set up using Netgear Genie.